Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a runnable jar file with Maven project. Yeah. So let's try to understand through an example. So here I have Eclipse, and here I have a Maven project. Here you can see the pom.xml with all the dependencies. Now let's say I right click on this project and go to the run as, and I select Maven build, and here I'm going to specify goals as clean, so that this will delete the previously generated distributable file, and then I would say package it again and click on run. Then this guy is going to uh, delete previous generated build, and that has generated one new jar file again. Okay, I'll go to this location and let me show you one thing where my jar is generated. So here is the jar. Now I'm going to open command prompt, and let's say I would like to basically run this jar. So how you can run java minus jar, and you have to specify jar name. If I run it, then this is showing no main manifest attribute in first demo project, right? And that's the reason I'm not able to run this jar. So this is basically not executable jar. You can extract this jar, and you will, there you can see there is a file is called manifest.mf. There you can see main file entry will not be there. So let me show you. I would say jar, you have to write xf, and here file name, right? So that we can extract this jar. Once you extract, then you will get the meta nf and manifest.mf. Just open it, and here you can see there is no entry for the main method, main class, right? And that's the reason this is not executable jar. So we required little modification, right? So we need to make some entry in the pom.xml. Basically we have to use one plugin to generate a executable jar in Maven. So I'm going to add this plugin in my current project. Okay, so here basically you have to write first of all a build tag. Okay, inside the build you have to write plugins. Inside that plugins you have, right now I have only one plugin. You may have more plugins in future, right? So now I'm going to run this. So here project is showing some error, so right click over here, go to the Maven and select update project and click on OK. So error will go away. Yeah, now right click over here, I go to the run as, I'll select Maven build, and here you can see you can write up clean, again clean package, and run. Now this guy is going to generate a executable jar. Okay, this is showing some error. So what you can do, I think clean is not running. So what you can do, cleaning is not working, I think. So here you can see directly package. Okay, so here you can see now jar has generated, right? This jar has generated. This must be an executable jar. If I go to there again, let me go to there where jar has generated, right? And now if I extract this jar again, right, then you can see in meta nf, go to manifest mf, and here, so here you can see now main class entry is there, right? Now you can run this jar as executable jar. So let me show you so that we can get the output from this jar. So still my command prompt is pointing over here, so let's execute this jar. So java minus jar, and you need to give the executable jar name, right? So my command prompt is basically pointing to the target folder itself. If you are in project root directory, then instead of directly jar name, you have to give target slash your jar name. And if I run it, then here you can see I get the output, right? So now our jar is executable jar, right? If I go over here and let me show you the project. So here in this package we have a, sorry, this is test package. So in src main java I have two package. One is employee com.kk.model. So this is just employee class, model class, and here in main class I have created an employee object and just setting two properties and try to print it, right? So you can have any kind of project structure or with a lot of different files. But if you want to generate the executable jar, then that's the way to basically generate. Now let's go to the pom.xml, and here you have to, inside the plugin, right, you have to configure this plugin is called Apache. Here group ID you have to access Arc, Apache, Maven plugins, and artifact ID Maven jar plugins. And here add class path you have to give the true, and here you need to provide the qualified name of your main class. So this is my main class, right? I click over here, I right click over here, and you have to do copy qualified name, and just you need to paste it over here, right? And that's it. You have to do this much configuration in pom.xml. After that you will be able to generate executable file in Maven. So again this is showing an error, so right click over here, go to the Maven and update project. Once you update, error will go away. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you, and don't forget to subscribe KK Java Tutorials.